daytime with the bright sun, it's day. And here's nighttime with the moon and stars, it's night. Here is a big orange truck. It's so big, and here is a small blue car. Here's a boy being loud and shouting. And here's a boy being quiet. Shh. Here is a fat man in a red shirt. He is fat. Here is a thin man in a green shirt. Here's a happy face. That means happy. Here's an angry face. That means angry. Here's a glass full of blue water. It's full, and here's an empty glass with no water. Here's a tall giraffe reaching up high. It's tall. And here's a short rabbit looking up. It's short. Here's an old lady. She has white hair, and here's a young man. He has dark hair. Here's a red cup with steam. It's hot. And here's a blue cup with ice. It's cold. Here's a fast cheetah running really. It's fast. And here's a turtle crawling slowly. It's slow.